Waste my time, no? I used to get no replies. Now the girls want hold this pipe. Me and bro done hella footwork. Now we got a booming line.
Any show get shut down and they're screaming out, what do you mean? Now this is that. Stack your money up, get back to the banks, can't pay in your jeans. Now this is that. This is that. This is that. This is that. This is that.
This is that we want raves.
This is that we want rave. That you lot said that we should do.
Yeah, this is that we want raves.
Yeah.
You lot requested it. So obviously, here we are in the building, doing it up for you lot.
Yes. Listen, what's going on, people? It's your boy Dan Ossie here, and
Boy Kaz.
follow me on Twitter, Ossie Dan.
Follow me on Twitter, Kaz Idris.
That's where it really goes down.
Now this is that.
Hey, listen, make sure you subscribe to the channel on that nearly at 200K.
Each occasion, subscribe right now. Blow. So right here, right now.
Right here.
New member on the block, on the
Get
scene.
me. New lad on the block.
So we've heard a lot about this guy. We've been told a lot about this guy. And now it's just about, I'm not gonna say taking him in, because that's poor.
That's
I'm not gonna say that.
That's
I'm not gonna
pause.
say that.
It's about listening
to what he has to offer.
You get me?
He's done the Unforgettable remix, and you know what? I like the original tune. So it's gonna be a situation.
It's a level of
for me to hear what he's got to offer us right now.
Unforgettable. When I just hear that, remember when that song came out for him? And Shiggy nearly broke his knees doing that slam to him.
I remember this.
You get me? Listen, ain't heard nothing from these guys. I think these guys or this guy. I don't know.
I think it's a one guy.
Yeah, he's a new kid on the block. Apparently he's making noise. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I think it must be a two-piece though.
Pour this pine over my feelings, that's that dialogue. If you love me and you mean it, why you cut me off? Risk on freedom for a time, he's trying to find the time. He's lost, it cost a lot to be a boss, I'm trying to play it off. Nobody saying I'm sorry. You say what I call saying she worries. If you got me, then I got you the same way that you got me. And God, we trust only the glizzy and the tiger glove. If you love these doors, you still can't contain me. They feel the time of my niggas.
Glizzy in there.
He didn't say that.
He ain't got glizzy? He ain't got a glizzy.
If you got me, then I got you the same way that you got me. And God, we trust only the glizzy and the tiger glove.
He got a glizzy, bro.
You got me, and God, we trust only the glizzy and the tiger glove.
Glizzy.
If you lock these doors, you still couldn't contain me. They feel the time on my niggas, I'm praying that they don't take me. I get so much love, I don't mind if you hate me. The spinner older than me, it comes from the 80s, that's why this revolver be solving all of our problems. Keep it constant for the nonsense, ain't got options. Paramedic helicopters, you gon' need more than a doctor. If they did me dirty, then it's gonna cost them. I need a gun in this Lamborghini, my family really needs me to see me. This rapping easy for me. I can't wait till the day is over, my niggas are never sober. They pull you and do you over for free. Stay with me, you tried to love me and leave me, but somehow you kept the pain with me. Rose and brothers if your brains on me. Don't change, won't change, stay the same with me.
This sound that's coming out of the UK recently is, get me, it's been yeah. How do you say that word, fam? What's that word that you say that's there?
Solidify?
That's it.
Stay with me, you tried to love me and leave me, but somehow you kept the pain with me. Rose and brothers if your brains on me. Don't change, won't change, stay the same with me, stay the same. All these trials and tribulations gave me game, that's why I always choose this money over fame. Everything I overcame, you think I'd lose it all just for a name. Catch a chance to go to jail.
One thing I will mention that I do like is that he's got this auto-tune thing, obviously the thing that he's doing, but he's got some decent clarity along with it. Like I can actually hear what he's saying. That's one thing I do like still.
Facts still.
Same with me, stay the same. All these trials and tribulations gave me game, that's why I always choose this money over fame. Everything I overcame, you think I'd lose it all just for a name. Catch a chance to go to jail and start again. That's no way. I got charges, I'm praying that they'll go away. All my niggas done the dashing as the law came. Remember making a rack and splitting it 4 ways. That I paid for, persevered and now we all pay. You don't make it where I'm from, I know they might have made it. Every time I spit it's no cap like we graduated. Ain't got 300 niggas but we all gladiators. And all the beef is coming marinated. The block's full of fake snakes, hoes, it's so contaminated. Only time these niggas squeezing is when they masturbated. Fuck yeah.
Nah, it's hard still. Nah, it's hard still.
He's hard still. No, he's hard, bro. He's
done the auto-tune, and I'm surprised he's got it right on the first go. Like, I'm surprised the auto-tune.
You practiced this though. This one here, you practiced. You get me?
Like, number one, first thing I've heard of him, and it comes with some banging visuals. Already got a bit of respect there, because like he's already put himself into this thing. Like, he knows this is what I want to do. And number two, I can't lie, the clarity on the auto-tune is quite decent still. I'm not gonna lie, he's done a good job there.
Make it where I'm from, I know they might have made it. Every time I spit, it's no cap like we graduated. Ain't got 300 niggas, but we all gladiators. And all the beef is coming marinated. The block's full of fake snakes, hoes, it's so contaminated. Only time these niggas squeezing us when they masturbate. Fucking allegations, shoot me that alligators. You can't stand me, I'm too activated. I guess you don't know what you have until it's gone. I was broken, I was weak, but now I'm strong. I on the phone, telling me come home, but I'm on this paper right, and I know where I'm going. Stay with me, you tried to love me and leave me, but somehow you kept the pain with me. Rushing some brothers, let it rain on me. Don't change, stay the same with me, stay the same. You told me get my mind right like I haven't done before. I'm a Muslim but still grinding for some 50 in the year. I'm just trying to die rich, cause I'm tired of living poor. You can
say no more.
He's got a few hooks there, a few punches.
Yeah, bro, he can give you one of those
vocal clarity there.
Yeah. He throws a little bit of bars in there as well. He's
got a bit of hooks, a bit of punches.
Yeah, bro. You know what I'm saying,
You told me get my mind right like I haven't done before. I'm a Muslim but still grinding for some 50 in the O. I'm just trying to die rich, cause I'm tired of living poor. You can take my life but you can never take my soul. The streets are
Nah, he's got that auto-tune thing on lock, fam.
You know what?
Respect still. Respect.
There's a lot of men that come into the scene with the wrong auto-tune. You get man. There's a lot of men who need it, man. Who need their auto-tune. Yeah. But him, he smashed it. He done it still. And I love how it goes into the.
You can take my life, but you can never take my soul. The streets are unforgettable. I couldn't do this shit alone.
Say that.
Gunshot. Oh, I really think you haven't had nobody. I keep a glizz, don't wanna have nobody.
Look at that glizz.
This shit when I'm like somebody. I know my love for kids and I'm so sorry.
Nah, I can't lie to you. You know what? I gave it to you already. Like vocal clarity, auto-tune, bars, hooks. And I love how he's used that the unforgettable part has come right at the end.
It wasn't used out. Yeah, it wasn't used in there.
Like if he was gonna use that, he could have just banged it out. You get? But he's giving the free ball into the next tune, just like that,
bro. And the next tune's emotionally scarred, bro. And now
big. No, big. In all honesty, I'm not even happy he's done that.
Yeah,
I'm not happy he's done
that. Lil Baby, that song there,
that tune is 2 10 out of 10 for me. 2 10 out of 10. So he's got a lot of pressure on his shoulder.
Yeah, he does still.
But you know what? Like,
if it works though, he might.
If it works, then we're gonna have to talk still.
Yeah, definitely.
We're gonna have to chat still. Definitely.
You know what though? Listen, if you like that video, make sure you like,
leave a comment,
a share, and subscribe. Cause we're out.
Got my head spinning from war to war. Euphoria. If we run the race, we'll go the distance.